these are the pointers that I personally have observed, and we should work on this. So now let's revise those pointers that I have discussed. First one is how can we speak with confidence. Okay, under this a point, there are two sub points or sub category, like that is try to say use as simple words as you can. Okay. Then do not think about making I would say grammatical mistakes. Speak slowly and clearly. Then take deep breath and pause for I would say 2 or 3 seconds. Okay. Then second point, in second point there are four I would say subtypes, but second point is why our mind why our minds go blank while speaking. So under which I have kept 4 pointers. We think too much before speaking. Okay. And fear of judgment, fear of making grammatical mistakes. So that's why our minds go blank while speaking. So we have to make sure that we are not speaking that much before speaking. And do not think about making grammatical mistakes. As I mentioned that even native speakers make grammatical mistakes. That doesn't mean we are making. We have to, of course, basic grammar rules, and I would say daily use vocabulary words are important. But do not think too much before speaking. Do not think about making grammatical mistakes, and do not think like avoid fear of judgment and fear of being judged. Third, and I would say it is most important, that try to do not try to use heavy or difficult words. Okay, keep it simple as you can. Same goes with grammar rules. Do not go that much deep into the grammar. And fourth point, that is most important, and that is practice. So when I say practice, meaning we have to speak up. Practice doesn't mean go and learn grammar rules and vocabulary words. No, practice means speak up, just speaking. Stand up in front of mirror, or you can say record yourself and try to speak as long as you can. But initially I would say spend 5 to 10 minutes every day. So in speaking, in practicing, there are a couple of things, like you have to choose or select any sort of random topic, try to speak, and avoid thinking like what people would say about me, and fear of judgment, fear of making mistakes. Okay, do not let your mind think like this. So you have to keep all these things in your mind, and if you execute, if you follow these pointers, I'm sure you will be able to become a good communicator. You will surely be able to improve your communication skills. You will surely improve yourself, enhance your common skill and confidence level as well. So these are the most important things that you all have to keep in your mind, and I'm sure you will do it and try to execute all these things slowly and gradually. You all will be able to become a good confident communicate become a good confident speaker, become a good, I would say, good fluent communicator. So that's all in today's video. We have covered 4 things, and if you have any doubt or any query, any feedback, even any sort of, I would say, advice or suggestion, please do let me know in the comment box. I will surely help you out. And if in case there are any sort of, I would say, suggestion or feedback that you want to share, please do let me know. I would love to hear from you. So that's all in today's video. We'll meet you tomorrow at the same time, I would say, sharp at 9 p.m. Till then, take care. Have a nice time. Bye. Love you all.